In this video, we're going over how to unlock your OnePlus N100 so you can use it with any carrier. Hey everyone, thank you for joining us today. If you want to stay up to date on all the mobile technology coming out and learn cool tips, tricks, and hidden features, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below and tap the bell to turn on post notifications so you can be alerted every time we post new videos. Today we're going to walk you through how to unlock your OnePlus N100 so you can use it with any carrier. The first thing you'll want to do is go to the phone app, tap on the dialer, and we're going to type in *#06 and pound. That's going to show us our IMEI. And you will need to write down this first number right here, the second number. Write down the second number and you'll need that later on in the video. Next, we're going to go to Google Chrome. We're going to go to the website, theunlockingcompany.com, and we're just going to fill out a few prompts. First is going to be the manufacturer, which is going to be OnePlus. And then the model, which is going to be the N100. So right here, tap Unlock Now. On the next screen, it'll ask you to fill out a few questions about where you purchased the phone. So country, which is going to be United States. Carrier, going to be metropcs. Next. On this last page, you will need to enter the IMEI we got in the first step of the video. So type in your IMEI, your contact information, the best email address to reach you, and a contact number. This will be the cost here. So normally it costs about $80, but they only charge $65. And this is the average turnaround time for the email that's going to have the final unlocking instructions. You'll tap Order Now, and then you'll wait to get an email confirmation that will have the final steps on unlocking the phone. Now, a couple things I want to point out with this website. You do have a message me option here. You also have a toll-free number that you can call or text 24 hours a day. And basically, I love that you have that support. If you have any issues finishing up unlocking your phone, you can connect to them and get someone to help you over the phone. If you're still having issues and they're not able to help you unlock it, they will give you a full refund. So it's a very reputable site, and it's great to be able to connect to someone to get your process done if you run into any snags. Once you get that email, you will need to pop out your SIM card. So find the box of your phone. You're gonna take your SIM tool and you're gonna need to pop out the SIM card. If you don't have the box and you don't have this tool, find a paper clip, bend it, and then insert it and just push, and that will pop out your SIM card tray. You'll need to put in the SIM card of the new service you want to use the phone with. So if you're trying to use it, for example, with TracFone or with AT&T, another carrier, you just pop in that SIM card, restart the phone, and then follow the final instructions in the email from the company, and you should be all set. So hope you guys found this helpful. Make sure you like, favorite, and share if it was helpful. Hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more videos. Take care, and as always, have a good one.